Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to How to Escape. This is Ralrina, and today we're going to be showing you how to fill coolant on your 2013 and up Ford Escape.
Please remember to wear safety glasses when possible when dealing with coolant, and only open the cap from the reservoir when the engine has cooled and is off.
Alright, so right here you can see the orange type coolant that's spec'd for North American or Ford vehicles. This is a 50-50 pre-diluted. You can either choose to get this or get the concentrated version and mix it yourself. It's just one extra step. This is a little bit more convenient. If you go and get the funnel, I recommend getting one with a flexible neck like this. You can tuck it underneath that wiper cowl and get to the cap there. There's also another benefit of using a flexible neck versus a rigid funnel, which I'll show you in just a second in regards to the design of that coolant tank. If this is tucked way underneath, under your cowl, and you want to use a regular long funnel and you stick it in there, you're going to be pointing it straight at that spillway hole, and you're going to lose a lot of coolant at the back, and it can even make you think that you're leaking coolant worse than you really are. Because you have an overflow spillway here, you can see that slot right there. So if this fills up too much, it'll spill out the back and then vent out the back here and drip out through your engine bay. That's by design.
Just helps you save coolant where you can. Now let's get back to the instructions.
Here's your cap that you're going to remove, and then here are your max and minimum fill lines. As you can see, I'm about 1.5 inches below the minimum line, so I have a leak that I need to identify because this is the second time I've had to do this in the last few weeks. So I'm going to take off the cap here. Then we're going to use a funnel like this with a flexible end and insert the end straight down. You want to go straight in and then have that receiver there, and just add the coolant. You can see down here the levels coming up closer to minimum. Now I can see it just touched the max line right there. So I'm going to tap this a little bit. The coolant that's in the hose out. We're going to take our cap and put it back on. Alright guys, so there's our refilled tank. Our cap is on tight and we've cleaned up any extra mess. If you've had a leak like this or have any other suggestions or tips that you use, leave a comment below. I'd love to hear it, love to share it. Every little bit helps videos get better. So give us a like or a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps get our videos to go further. And subscribe to the channel and share this if you know someone else who's looking to do this. Thanks a lot for watching How to Escape. We'll see you next time.